Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to show you how you can use an app on your Amazon Fire TV stick to cast your iOS, Android, macOS, or Windows device to the screen. So here's some quick demonstration of what you're meant to do. You should just be able to go to Control Center on your phone and click Screen Mirroring. It's very simple, guys. It's how you'd normally connect to an Apple TV from your iOS device. Obviously, there's different rules for Windows, Mac, and Android device. You can see those in the app, and if you scroll down to help, it will tell you the instructions of what to do. Here is the demo of it on my iOS device. So it is slightly laggy. I'm not sure why that is, but it is free, and an Apple TV is what, 150, 160 quid, whereas a Fire Stick you can get for about 25 quid on sale. So it's a great deal, to be honest, and it works perfectly to be completely honest. Um, so if we cancel the screen mirroring, scroll up for Control Center and press Stop Mirroring, I'm going to show you how you can rename your Apple TV device, even if it's not Apple TV device, it's the AirScreen device. So we're going to go to the settings of this app and click that, and we can click the device name under General and change the name of it. I've already changed it, so I don't need to do that for you. Anyways, there's some advanced settings, and you can add a pin for when you click screen mirroring, but you have to have the paid version or watch some adverts, which unlocks it for 15 minutes. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and see you on the next one. Peace.